What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of my channel. My name is Yangji, and today I am going to be talking to you guys about how to earn your sign-up bonus the fastest while driving for Uber. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe because I will be coming out with new weekly videos on how to become a better entrepreneur, rideshare driver, and making it on your own with side hustles. And if you guys are planning to drive for Uber, you guys can use my referral link below so you guys don't miss out on your bonus. And today's topic is how to earn your sign-up bonus the fastest. This is very important because sign-up bonus give new drivers a boost in their earnings, because when you're a new driver, you don't really know what to do. Like, you don't know what to drive, you don't know what type of passengers or trips you want to pick up that would be the most beneficial to you. So this is the time for new drivers to actually figure things out, and Uber is going to reimburse you or guarantee a certain amount of money that you're going to be earning depending on how you look at it, or even a sign-up bonus. So there's different types of sign-up bonuses, and I've seen quite a few different ones. When I signed up, it was a flat bonus. So basically, when I've done a certain amount of trips, I will get a flat bonus no matter what I made. I believe this was back in 2015, and the sign-up bonus for me was if I do 20 trips in a month, I would get a $500 bonus, which was crazy. I'm not sure if they even do that anymore. I know that they still do guarantees. So basically, if you do 100 to 200 trips, or even more, and they're going to guarantee that you make a certain amount of money after that many trips. So for example, the current bonuses are, the last one I've seen was if you drive maybe 100 trips, they're going to guarantee like $1,000 bonus. That was the last one, maybe something like that I've seen. So if you drive 100 trips, they're going to guarantee that you make $1,000. That's for example. And so let's say, for example, for every one of those trips, it's like a short ride. It's like you earn the minimum, which is like $4 or something. Uber is going to reimburse, it's going to pay you out for the difference. So for $4, and instead of, getting paid just the $4 for every trip that you have done out of those 100 trips, since they're guaranteeing you $1,000 for 100 trips, that equals to about $10 every trip. So they're gonna actually pay you that difference. So, with that said, being a new driver, this is the time to actually learn how you can actually go and earn more money, how to deal with your customers, how to drive more efficiently so you can earn more per trip, and just working out the details on how you plan on driving so you can actually make more money. So I came with 2 points on how you can actually earn this bonus the fastest way possible. So one of them is, which is the top one, which would be to actually pick up a lot of pool rides. So for example, in an Uber pool, they're usually going to be, you can load up about 3 people in your ride at the same session. So let's say, for example, you accept an Uber pool, Uber is going to automatically add people to your pool as long as you have space in your car. So, in one short trip, or one session, you can actually get 3 people in your car and complete 3 trips towards your quota. Versus if you only pick up Uber X and not pick up Uber Pool, you're gonna get only 1 trip per session. So which one is gonna is it gonna work towards your quota more? It's gonna be with Uber Pool. So that is a very good strategy for actually just completing your trip quotas to actually earn your bonus. Another way would be only favoring to pick up short trips. Now, you don't really have a choice. I mean, you don't really have that much of an indicator on how long or short your trips are, except for Uber is going to give you an indication of if it's going to be a 45 plus minute ride or not. So anything under 45 minutes, it's not going to have that indicator. So, it's kind of a good indicator in a sense, because once you get that 45 plus minute ride, you're just going to get a very long ride, and that's a very long one trip. Now, if you work these 2 points together, so if you only pick up Uber Pool that doesn't have the 45 plus minute indicator, you're going to get a lot more trips done in a shorter amount of period of time, if that makes sense to you guys. So, with that said, if you get 3 rides per one session of Uber Pool, if that makes sense, that 100 or 200 trip quota is going to be cut down by a multiple of 3. So instead of having to do 200 Uber X rides, you really only have to do about 70 Uber Pool rides. So, think about that and see if that really makes sense for you to actually complete your quota to earn your bonus a lot faster. Now, if you guys have any comments or feedback, please leave it in the section below. I really want to address it and see how you guys think about this. And like I said, if you guys are planning to drive for Uber, you guys can use my referral link below and don't miss out on that bonus. And this will conclude my video. If you guys have not yet subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I will be sure to be back with you with the next video.